Welcome to JCAG-LAB. Today we're building our very first network using Cisco Packet Tracer. Before we open any tools, let's look at what we're going to achieve. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to install Cisco Packet Tracer, build a simple topology, and most importantly, understand how two devices communicate on the same IP network without needing a router. To follow along, you'll need Cisco Packet Tracer. Create a free Cisco Networking Academy account. Navigate to the Packet Tracer Downloads page and download the version that matches your operating system. Once installed, launch Packet Tracer and sign in using your Skills for All account. Let's start with a blank canvas. We're going to drag two end devices into our workspace. For this demo, we'll use two laptops. Consistency is key in networking. We'll rename these Laptop 01 and Laptop 02. Before we connect them, let's talk about the why. Think of an IP network as a neighborhood. Every house on the same street can communicate directly because they all belong to the same local area. In networking, when two devices are on the same IP network and use the same subnet mask, they recognize each other as local devices and can communicate directly. Now let's give them their addresses. On Laptop 01, we'll assign the IPv4 address 192.168.1.10. Notice the subnet mask defaults to 255.255.255.0. This /24 subnet mask tells the device that the first 24 bits, the first 3 octets, represent the network portion of the address, while the final octet identifies the individual host. We'll do the same for Laptop 02, assigning it 192.168.1.20 with the same subnet mask. Because both addresses share the same network portion and use the same subnet mask, each laptop recognizes the other as being on the local network. We'll connect both laptops using a copper crossover cable. Once the link becomes active, the physical connection is ready. We'll use the ping command to verify communication. Ping uses the Internet Control Message Protocol, or ICMP, to send an echo request and wait for an echo reply. Receiving successful replies confirms that communication between the two devices is working correctly. Today we built a fundamental peer-to-peer network. We learned that devices on the same IP network can communicate directly over a simple cable. Using an IP address together with a subnet mask, each device determines whether the destination is on the local network or whether communication must be forwarded to a router. In the next episode, we'll replace the direct cable with a layer 2 switch without changing the existing IP configuration. Then we'll add another device on a different IP subnet, introduce the concept of network segmentation, and discover why devices on different networks can't communicate without a router. I'll see you in the next lab.